students, welcome back to Scholars, and today we are here with another topic, conjunctions. So I'm going to explain what conjunctions are and how can you use them and what are the three basic types of conjunctions. So first of all, conjunctions are connecting words and ideas, for example, and, as, because. Now how do you use and? How do you use as and how do you use because? It's when you can, for example, a sentence that you can take is I like tea and coffee. Here you have chosen the word and. Why did you use as? Why did you choose as I like tea as well as coffee? No, it was only as. If it had well as, then you would have chosen this word. But now you like both the things. So you are going to use the word and. I like tea and coffee. And for because you can have an example. I like tea because it releases all of my stress. Now there are three basic types of conjunctions. First is coordinating, then we have subordinating, then we have correlative. Now, coordinating conjunctions are those that connect words and phrases. For example, and, but, or, so. For and, I can give you the example, I like tea and coffee. For but, you can say, I like coffee, but it is really bitter. Or comes when you have an option. For example, you can say, I would prefer tea or coffee. Then so, you can say that I went to the park, so I went to the park. Now these are the examples of coordinating conjunctions. There are many others, but you have to see that coordinating conjunctions are those that connect words and phrases or clauses. Like two clauses are connected by a coordinating conjunction. Then we have subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are those that connect dependent clause to an independent one. These are those that connect dependent clause to an independent clause. Now what's a dependent clause and what's an independent clause? Independent clause is the one that can go without the help of the dependent clause or that can go without the help of any other clause. But dependent clause is the one that needs an independent clause. Example, I like coffee is an independent clause. But if I say I went to the park because, that's a dependent clause. Now I have to add something after because to complete the sentence. Dependent clause in itself is never complete. So you connect a dependent clause and an independent clause with the following conjunctions that are because, although, if, unless. Like I went to the park because I was really tired. I studied last night, although I was really stressed about my exam. Although I had studied the whole night. If you give me this thing, I will be very happy. Unless you can say, unless and until he says sorry, I am not going to talk to him. These are the examples for subordinate. Last one that we have is correlative. Now correlative are always used in pairs. For example, both, and, either, or, not only but also. They're always with a pair. For example, both and, you can use both and in the same sentence I gave you for the coordinating one. You can say I like both coffee and tea. For either and or, you can say I like either coffee or tea. Then for not only but also, you can say I not only like coffee but also tea. So these are some of the examples for conjunctions and their types. In the next video, I will be bringing some exercises for conjunctions. Till then, take care of yourselves and thank you for watching. I hope this was understandable. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, Scholars.